mga katoki, so nandito tayo ngayon sa Central Station. We're going to Bondi. We've agreed to go to Bondi Beach today kasi nag-clear na yung sky at hindi na umuulan, so it's just perfect for us to go there. It's a well-known beach, so makikita nyo rin sa vlog na to kung anong itsura ng Bondi. So ayan, ready na kami pumunta doon. Excited na rin ako na makita. At we're expecting that it's gonna be great. See you mga katokis! Wow, grabe! Say hi, katokis! Hi, katokis! Hello mga katokis, nandito na tayo sa Bondi Beach. Unfortunately though, umuulan today. Kaya hindi natin makita ng hindi ganun ka-visible yung beach. For the meantime, para maalis yung or makapagpahupa ng ulan, magko-coffee muna tayo. So, may ka na dyan? Okay. Hi! Coffee muna tayo sa Macca's. Macca's is actually McDonald's. That's how they call it here in Australia. Katokis! Ayan, tumila na ang ulan finally. So, nandito tayo sa Hotel Bondi. Picture na sa Hotel Bondi! Hi Katokis! So finally, wala nang ulan, so we could go to the other streets. Sorry. There you go. So, we will be seeing the beach! Hey! I'm pretty excited to see the beach. Bondi Beach. The world-known Bondi Beach. Punta na sila sa Bondi Beach. There you go. Wow. Ayun, picture, 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 picture. Walang sound picture, here and there. Wow, grabe ang ganda ng sand. Kamangha-mangha. Amazing. Alam niyo mga katoki, sobrang swerte natin ngayon. The reason behind that, kasi kanina talaga sobrang ulan. Ulan pala dito sa Australia. Kala ko nung una, yellow dito, pero umuulan pala dito. Oh, that's so beautiful bird. Tapos, eto, papakita ko sa inyo yung graffiti. And look at the dog. So cute. Ayan, so habang naglalakad tayo, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga graffiti. Medyo mahaba-haba itong lakad natin today. Pero this is a great way to show you many beautiful parts of Bondi Beach, a well-renowned beach / park in the world. So, pag pumunta kayo sa Australia, isa to sa mga lugar na dapat puntahan nyo. Kasi, hindi nyo dapat ma-miss kung gaano kaganda yung beach nila. Tapos, kung we have an opportunity, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga how do you call that one? The beach pools na sort of it's like a nature-made swimming pool by the beach. Tapos because of the rock formation, it created like a pool. So it's a natural swimming pool. Tapos it's coming from the ocean. So it's a great way to also enjoy this wonderful place called Bondi Beach. This is not just a beach, but it's also a park. There's also a swimming pool. And we have here some Filipinos. Are you Filipino? Yeah. 100% Pinoy. Siyempre kasama natin yan. So, they're taking pictures. At ito yung mga graffiti, sobrang ganda. Medyo malayo-layo pa to. So, dito pa lang, may enjoy nyo na talaga yung place. Kasi marami kayong makikitang mga graffitis na pinaghahandaan nila. I think this is a great attraction as well to get the tourists entertained too, because it showcases their arts and their artists, especially. So napakaganda. It's also a great way, if you're an artist, it's a great way to be inspired of different thoughts or ideas you could get from all of these graffitis in here. So we're still gonna be walking, continuously walking, going to the end of this because mahaba-haba pa siya. Tapos kung makikita nyo sa taas, yan yung car park. That's a carport. And ganda, no? Akala ko mga flags. Parang mga flag siya. Hi dog. Ayan. Look at that one. Beautiful. Mapapansin nyo sa graffiti nila, it's culturally diverse or inspired by different cultures because they're one of the most diverse countries in the world. That's the reason why inspirations are varied. Kaya makikita mo dyan para meron mga Pacific Islander sort of graffitis at may mga abstract. Galing! So pinaglaanan talaga nila to ng panahon at napakaganda na from all of these people can enjoy the arts, and it's up all the way there, so medyo mahaba pa siya. I'm not sure if I still want to go there, but it's a very long walkway with all of these graffitis. Ayan, so kung pupunta pa tayo doon, mapapansin nyo, meron dyan. I'm not sure it's a how do you call that one? Like the boarding, skateboarding rail. Yeah, so mga katokis, let's have a feel of the sand. I can't wait. So we're going there. So bro, nagsisink yung mga sapatos nila. Pero parang gusto ko ata na nabuhos ko yung chocolate. So we're ready. Hi. Cute. Ayun si Jay, tapos si Prudence, and si Bianca, and the seagulls. Grabe, amoy na amoy yung dagat, no? Ayun, may picture taking na nangyayari.
Katoki, star, picture mo kami star.
I will.
Sa ginaginaon na sila dito sa iPhone.
Kamusta ang trip nyo ngayong umaga?
Magnificent.
Magnificent?
Yeah. Wonderful experience. It's a once in a lifetime experience.
Amen to that.
Amen to that.
And
That's all I can say. Amen to that.
I was-
Thank you, and you have a lovely afternoon.
yeah, this wouldn't be possible without the help of May and Jay. Thank you so much for being so nice to
May and
us.
Jay. And
I will blush y'all.
also, I mean, she treated us to
They are our hosts here in Sydney, Australia before we go back.
and our house, wonderful house, perfect house. It's better than Enzo Shangri-La. So you better visit her place.
This is
It's
gonna be
a 5-star.
Remember, this is gonna be part of the vlog.
Yes.
Alright.
And the transportation is door to
Thank you
door.
so much, goodbye, family. God bless you. You and your family. Thank you. Hindi ka
Alright, that's it.
Hindi pa siya
Alright, that's it. Thank you so much. Ito.